Welcome back to the channel. Today we are building a fast-paced digital marketing logo using arrow shape. Start with a clean white canvas for maximum clarity. Use the polygon tool and convert the triangle into a custom arrow. Stretch it for a dynamic forward moving effect and duplicate the arrow 3 times and rotate each slightly. Position them like a speed bust motion trails. Merge all arrows into a single custom shape and apply a vibrant gradient symbolizing progress and momentum. Now add a circular base shape to anchor the symbol, reduce opacity of the circle to create depth, and add a crisp typography beneath the design. Adjust spacing for a corporate friendly layout, enhance the arrows with inner